Guys, welcome to our channel Shift and Throttle. Today we are going to review the R15 V3 BS4. It is one of the India's most favorite bike and also the fastest R15 V3 to ever be launched in India. The main feature about the R15 which is highlighted the most is its beautiful styling. The styling of the R15 has been derived from the R1, R6 and the R3 and it shows beautifully in this bike. The menacing looks of these headlamps. The only disappointment in this motorcycle are these bulb indicators and these wing mirrors which are made of very cheap plastic and feel like a scooty. And this bike is everything that you need for a good sports bike. Talking about the driving aesthetic of this motorcycle, it is very sporty and committed. It is more committed than the R15 V2 and R15 V1 combined, but it also gives you a feel of a big bike. The only drawback is also its plus point, that is the committed seating posture. As you are sitting very committedly, so your wrists, neck and back will start to ache very fiercely after you ride it for more than 100 kilometers. And the pillion seats, oh don't even get me started on that. They are like a small 7-inch tab which your pillion will not feel comfortable at all. And you will also feel very miserable as you will bear all their weight on your shoulders as there are no proper grab rails. Now coming to the main thing of this bike, how much power does this engine produce? It produces 19.3 PS of power at 10,000 RPM and 15.1 Nm of torque. And in BS6 Avatar, the power has reduced from 19.3 PS to 18.6 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 14.7 nanometer at 14.7 nanometer torque. And this bike will make you feel every bit of super bike that you want to feel at this price point. This bike can do 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds and 0 to 100 in 10.4 seconds. And this bike is faster not only from 160cc motorcycle but also from 200cc motorcycle. Basically, all that power comes from very clever engineering by Yamaha as they introduced VVA or the variable valve actuation, which has two camshaft profiles. One camshaft profile is the fuel efficient profile and the second camshaft profile is the demonic persona of this motorcycle. This bike even has a slipper clutch for aggressive downshifts in the corner, and this will help not the wheel to lock up when you are going very aggressively in the down corners or slanting your way across a corner. As you saw from this video, it does not only accelerate fast but also brakes very rapidly and sure-footedly, as it has 280 mm discs at the front and 220 mm discs at the back. And this gives you a lot of confidence in your bike, as braking is everything when you are riding a fast and beautiful motorcycle, because you don't want to crash in any other person or any other thing. As you know, Indian roads are very awesome. Now talking about the build quality of the bike, which has been very controversial, as it had a very major problem of fuel tank slipping out while riding. But now that problem has been solved by Yamaha, and the plastic quality has also improved in the BS4 model, and BS6 model has improved significantly. But you can see various panel gaps or shoddy build quality by Yamaha, as it was not expected from Yamaha to give such a bad build quality of this bike. But still, it is better than many other Bajaj and TVS in the market. Now talking about how much mileage does this bike give. It gives me around 41 to 43 kilometers in the city, and the claimed mileage from the company is 48.75 kilometers to the liter. And on highway, I can surely tell you that it gives 45 to 48 kilometers per liter. The instrumentation cluster, as you can see, is very beneficial for this motorcycle, as it gives you gear indicator and also a shift light. It also tells you your speed and the mileage your bike is giving. It also shows you time, as it is currently 4:04, and how much kilometer to the liter your bike is giving, and also how much average speed does your bike has. And it also shows the odometer and has 2 trip meters and also a trip F. Talking about the pricing of this motorcycle, it is priced at 1.46 lakh ex showroom Lucknow. This bike is at a very steep side, as it compares almost to Pulsar RS 200, KTM RC 125 and many other high cc motorcycles just like Bullet. But it also offers a lot of hardware and specification for the amount of money it commands. So I hope this clears you that the pricing is adequately priced. It is adequately priced, but a little bit steep. For the conclusion of this motorcycle, if you are a youngster or a college guy who wants to fulfill his dream fantasy of racing a Doom bike but does not have the money to pay, or his parents or his or her parents cannot buy it, then the R15 is the best bike for you. But you have to live with a few compromises such as seating comfort and pillion seat comfort. Otherwise, this is the best motorcycle for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also ring the notification bell to get notified for our new videos. And also share this video with all your R15 V3 loving friends, and also the person who wants to buy this motorcycle.